Unit 1 Living Things. Chapter 2 Animal Kingdom. Learning Objective. Types of animals. Eating habits of animals. Types of animals. There are different animals in the world. Some animals are big and some are small, which are found on land, in water and in air. They have different shapes and sizes. Very big animals. Blue whale, elephant, ostrich. Info bits. Blue whale is the largest animal on the earth. Big animals. Rhinoceros, lion, tiger, hippopotamus. Small animals. Dog, fox, monkey, cat. Teacher's notes. Make the students understand the types of animals. Elucidate them about the extinct animals. Give some examples to make them understand the extinct animals. Very small animals. Ant, rat, butterfly, mosquito. Animals differ in shapes. Fish have a streamlined body. Worms and snakes have elongated bodies. Birds have light bodies with hollow bones. Some animals like crabs, lobsters, octopuses, and starfish have unusual shapes. Movement in animals. All animals move in different ways. Fish move in water with the help of fins. They do not have legs. Snakes and earthworms do not have legs. They wriggle on the ground. Animals like octopus and starfish have 8 legs. Most land animals like horses, goats, dogs, and zebras have 4 legs to walk and run. Insects have 6 legs. Some insects have wings to fly. Birds have 2 legs, which help them to perch on branches of trees. They have wings to fly. Let me answer. Which animal swallows their food without chewing it? Eating habits of animals. Animals depend on plants and other animals for food. Animals like cows, horses, elephants, goats eat plants and their products. They are called herbivorous. Animals like lions, tigers, and crocodiles eat the flesh of other animals. They are called carnivores. Animals like bear and crow eat both plants and flesh of other animals. They are called omnivores. Herbivores. Elephant, horse, goat, cow. Carnivores. Lion, tiger, crocodile. Omnivores. Bear, crow. Scavenger, vulture. Animals like hyenas and vultures eat the flesh of dead animals. They are called scavengers. In a way, they clean the forests. How do animals eat? Different animals eat different kind of food. The part of an animal's mouth is suited to the kind of food it eats. Herbivores like cows and buffaloes have sharp and broad teeth to cut grass and leaves. They swallow their food without chewing it. When they rest, they bring this food back into their mouth. They then chew it with their grinding teeth. This is called chewing the cud. Carnivores have sharp, pointed, and slightly curved teeth. These help them to tear flesh. They have strong grinding teeth at the back of their mouth. These help them to chew bones. Animals like squirrels and rabbits nibble fruits and seeds. They have sharp front teeth. Frogs and lizards use their long and sticky tongue to catch insects. They then swallow their food whole. Butterflies suck nectar from flowers. leeches and mosquitoes suck the blood of other animals. Earthworms swallow the soil that contains plants and insects. Different tails of animals. Many animals have tails. They use their tails for different purposes. A fish uses its tail for swimming and changing the direction. The thick tail of the kangaroo enables it to maintain its balance. The long bushy tail of a squirrel helps it to keep balance while leaping and climbing. A peacock uses its tail to dance. Cows and buffaloes use their tails to fly away birds and insects that sit on them. A monkey uses its tail to swing from one branch to another. A dog uses its tail in different ways. It wags its tail when it is happy. It puts its tail between its legs when it is scared. Fact finder. When a joy baby kangaroo is born, it is only 2 cm long and weighs less than a gram. Dinosaur, mammoth, dodo. Extinct animals. Many animals have got extinct from the world. They lived 100 of years ago. Such animals are called extinct animals. Some of them are dinosaurs, mammoth, dodo, etc. We all should join hands to save them. Remember to summary. We see a variety of animals in our world. Animals depend on plants and other animals for food. The part of an animal's mouth is suited to the kind of food it eats. Animals use their tails in many ways. Many animals have got extinct from the world. All animals move in different ways. Exercises. A. Take the correct option. A. Which one is a herbivore? Cow, tiger, wolf. Answer: cow. B. Which one is a scavenger? Hyena, crocodile, zebra. Answer: hyena. C. Which animals suck blood of other animals? Butterfly, tiger, leech. Answer: leech. D. Which one is a extinct animal? Buffalo, dodo, rabbit. Answer: dodo. B. Fill in the blanks. A. A dash uses its tail to dance. Answer: peacock. B. Worms and snakes have dash bodies. Answer: elongated. C. Most land animals have dash legs. Answer: 4. D. Insects have dash legs. Answer: 6. E. Birds have dash to fly. Answer: wings. C. Right, true or false. A. Dog is a big animal. Answer: false. B. Fish have a streamlined body. Answer: true. C. A dog uses its tail in different ways. Answer: true. D. Zebra is an omnivore. Answer: false. E. We should kill animals. Answer: false. D. Answer the following questions. A. Name some very big animals. Answer: rhinoceros, lion, tiger, hippopotamus. B. What does chewing the cud mean? Answer: the animals swallow their food without chewing it. When they rest, they bring the food back into their mouth. They then chew it with their grinding teeth. This is called chewing the cud. C. What are herbivores? Answer: animals depend on plants and other animals for food. Animals like cows, horses, elephants, goats eat plants and their products. They are called herbivores. D. How do different animals use their tails? Answer: 1. A fish uses its tail for swimming and changing the direction. 2. A peacock uses its tail to dance. 3. Cows and buffaloes use their tails to fly away birds and insects that sit on them. 4. A dog uses its tail when it is happy or when it is scared. E. How do scavengers help to keep the forest clean? Answer. Scavengers eat the flesh of dead animals. In this way, they clean the forests. A. Make pictures of animals with your thumb and fingerprints using watercolors. Answer. Do it yourself.